In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up account on TubeGen AI. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. To get started, you need to go ahead and open any browser and then just search for TubeGen AI like this. And here is the official website, TubeGen.ai. So go ahead and tap on it. And this is the homepage where you can now set up your account or log in if you already have one. So I'll head up. If you are new, go to sign up, tap on this. And here you can manually set up your account by entering your email and create your password and then agree to terms and conditions. Alternatively, you can just set up an account by typing on sign up with Google. So if you have a Gmail account, you can use this to set up your account like this. And by doing so, I'm already on my account. Now that you are logged in, you can either choose any of the plans available here. To start your creation journey, we have quite a number of them here. If you already have credits, you should see the credit balance here. Now to start creating your videos, go ahead and tap on create video here. And this will take you to video creation page if you have already selected your plan here. So that's how you can set up account on TubeGen. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.